Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, let's continue testing our knowledge of vocabulary in Arabic. I have 10 action words for you today, 10 verbs. Let's see whether you can get all of them right, shall we? I'm sure you do well. Number one, please. What's happening here? And that is, he is lecturing. He lectures. In Arabic, we say, tell me. We say, يحاضر. يحاضر. Well done. And for a woman, we say, تحاضر. تحاضر. Okay. What about I am lecturing? I lecture. I'll say أحاضر. أحاضر. Okay. Imperative masculine. Commanding a man. We say lecture. Yes. We say حاضر. حاضر. And commanding a woman, saying lecture, we say حاضري. حاضري. Yes. Second one, please. Number two. What's happening here? He is asking. He asked. He is asking. Okay. In Arabic, what do we say? We say, yes, alu. Yes, alu. And for a woman, we say, تسألوا. تسألوا. Okay. What about I ask or I am asking? I'll say أسأل. أسأل. Okay. Imperative masculine. Commanding a man to say ask. What do we say? In Arabic, we say اسأل. اسأل. And commanding a woman, saying ask, we say اسألي. اسألي. Very good. Next one, please. Number three. What's happening here? He is answering. He answers. He is answering. In Arabic, we say, tell me. يجيب. يجيب. And for a woman, we say, تجيب. تجيب. Okay. What about I answer, or I'm answering? I'll say أجيب. أجيب. Okay. Imperative masculine, commanding a man to say answer. We say, tell me. We say أجب. أجب. And commanding a woman, saying, answer, we say in Arabic, أجيبي. أجيبي. Well done. So far, so good. Number 4, please. What's happening here? He is explaining. He explains. He is explaining. In Arabic, we say يشرح. يشرح. Okay. And for a woman, we say, so she's explaining, would be تشرح. تشرح. Well done. What about commanding imperative, a man to say, explain. Explain yourself. We say, اشرح. اشرح. Commanding a woman, we say, in Arabic, explain. We say, اشرحي. اشرحي. Next one, please. What's happening there? And that is, he is talking on the phone. He talks on the phone. In Arabic we say يتحدث على الهاتف. يتحدث على الهاتف. Okay. For a woman, we say, so she talks, so she's talking on the phone, would be تتحدث على الهاتف. تتحدث على الهاتف. And then I speak, when speaking on the phone, would be, in Arabic, أتحدث على الهاتف. أتحدث على الهاتف. Okay. What about commanding a male to speak on the phone? We say, تحدث على الهاتف. تحدث على الهاتف. And commanding a woman, saying, speak on the phone, we say, تحدثي على الهاتف. تحدثي على الهاتف. Well done. Next one, please. What's happening there? He is whispering. He whispers. Okay. In Arabic, please. Don't whisper it. Let's hear it, please. Okay. We say, يهمس. يهمس. And for a woman we say, تهمس. تهمس. Okay. And I whisper, or I'm whispering, would be, in Arabic, أهمس. أهمس. Okay. What about imperative commanding a man? Whisper. We say in Arabic, اهمس. اهمس. And commanding a woman, saying whisper, we say in Arabic, اهمسي, اهمسي. Okay, next one. What's happening here? He listens. He is listening. Okay. In Arabic, you say, I'm listening. You say, يستمع. يستمع. And for a woman, we say, so she listens. She is listening. In Arabic, we say, تستمع. تستمع. Okay. What about I'm listening? I'm listening. أستمع. أستمع. Okay. Imperative, commanding a man to listen. We say, in Arabic, we say, استمع. استمع. And to a woman, commanding a woman, we say, listen. We say, in Arabic, we say, استمعي. استمعي. Okay. How many left? 3 left, I think. 3 left. Okay. What's happening here? And that is, he is smiling. Yes. He smiles. He is smiling. Okay. In Arabic, what do we say? We say, يبتسم. يبتسم. And for a woman, we say, she smiles, she's smiling. In Arabic, we say, تبتسم. تبتسم. Okay. What about, I smile, I'm smiling. We say, أبتسم. أبتسم. Okay. What about commanding a man to smile? Smile, for God's sake. Too much crying in the world. Smile. Come on. We say, ابتسم. ابتسم. And commanding a woman to smile, we say, ابتسمي. Yes. ابتسمي. Come on. ابتسمي. All right. Next one. Only 2 left now. Yes. What's happening here? He is laughing. Yes. He laughs. He is laughing. Yes. In Arabic we say, يضحك. يضحك. Okay. And for a woman we say, she laughs, she's laughing. We say, تضحك. 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 Okay. I'm laughing. I laugh. I'll say, أضحك. أضحك. Okay. What about commanding a man to laugh? Come on. We say, اضحك. اضحك. Laugh, for God's sake. Yes. Okay. And the commanding a woman, we say, in Arabic, we say, اضحكي. اضحكي. You look beautiful and you laugh. Yes. You better. Okay. And the last action word for today is this. What's happening? Oh dear. He is crying. He is crying. He cries. Don't cry for me, Argentina. No. Come on. In Arabic we say yebki. Yebki. And for a woman we say tebki. Tebki. And I cry would be Abki. Abki. And commanding a male, they say, cry. Come on, that's cruel. We say, Ibki. Ibki. Yeah. Suit yourself. Ibki. Yeah. If you like. Ibki. and commanding a woman, we say, Ibki. Yes. Ibki. Here we are. Here we are. Another 10 action words for you. I hope you managed to get at least 8 right. Let me know your score, please. Come on, tell me how many did you get right. Okay? And subscribe before you go, please. And thank you so much for some of you who have subscribed. And don't forget my charity, please. There is a link below. Please click and watch our progress in our project to build an educational resource center for the children of my hometown, Ogbomoso, southwestern Nigeria. We're making progress. Thank you so much for some of you who have made donation. I appreciate that. Shukran jazilan. Jazakumullahu khairan. Shakarallahu lakum. Ahsanallahu ilaykum. Wa adkhala surura ila qulubikum. Ma'a salama. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.